Hi, my name is Jeannie. I'm 29 years old and currently working here in Hong Kong as an OFW. And I'm an artist. I'm making a song and my hobby is writing a music. Mahilig na talaga akong gumawa ng music when I was in teenage. I used to write a song, poems, but I stopped it and then after a few years, ayun, bumalik ako sa pagsusulat. And nag-start siya nung pandemic time, nung 2020. Yung story po ng aking kanta na sabi mo ay base po sa isang broken promises. So makikita niyo po doon, yung guy and a girl is in a relationship and then sa kaligitnaan ng relationship nila ay may pumasok po na temptation. Nagkaroon po ng third party. So yun po yung naging result na yung relationship nila ay na-broken or nawasak. So in the end, nakikita nyo sa video na kanta, sa music video is nag-let go yung girl and then she moved forward to her new journey. Yung song po itself ay hindi po siya tumutukoy kung ano yung eksaktong nangyari sa akin, but naging relate sa akin nito dahil ganun din po yung nangyari sa broken marriage na meron ako. Meron ding cheating and infidelity, but sinulat ko to in general para makarelate yung ibang tao. Mostly, nababasa ko sa social media yung cheating issue, yung mga OFW here in Hong Kong na in reality nararanasan talaga nila na magkaroon ng mostly broken family. So, sinulat ko po ito in general in a way na paano pa kaya gaano kaya kasakit yung ibang tao na nakaranas ng cheating na merong promise na binigay sa kanila. So, mas masakit yung pinangakuan ka pero hindi pala hanggang dulo yung relationship mo. So, yung kanta ko po ay binubuo ng aking napakagaling na production. Nag-start po siya kay Dennis Marcot, ang aking producer po sa Pacifica, and the L Film production itself, si Direk Krishna and Lynn Moore, and my co-actors is Chef Boy Mangyan and Juvian. And behind the music is my brother who is the guitarist and the drummer, John Michael Alarcio and Joshua Alarcio. So thank you guys for making this song successful. After how many years, siguro makakagawa na ako ng mas marami pang kanta. At yun, nag-expect ako na maraming sumuporta sa akin at makarelate din sa kanta ko. Ayun, gusto ko pong mag-spread ng positivity through my music. Hi guys, if you like my song, you can stream it on Spotify, YouTube Music, and iTunes.